So next operation is thread cutting. So thread cutting, so by the given figure, as you can see that, so thread, they have, it's right hand thread of M24 and 1.75 pitch. So M24 indicates that it's the major diameter, and M stands for metric thread. 24 is the major diameter, just 24 mm. So this is 24 mm, and 1.575 is the pitch of the thread. M stands for metric thread. So M stands for metric thread. So 24 is the dia of the workpiece, or major dia of the workpiece, and here the thread is a V shape of 60 degrees angle. Now to find the depth of cut of M24 thread, so M24 into the constant 0.6495 into pitch. So 0.6495 into pitch, that is 1.75, we get 1.1366 mm. So now by divisions, so depth of cut divisions is divided by, so depth of cut upon the least count of the cross slide, that is 0.0508. So we get 22.37 or 23 divisions. So you have to give 23 divisions for the depth of cut. So this 23 divisions will be given in steps, that is 5 divisions, 5 divisions, 5 divisions, 5 divisions, 2 divisions, and last 1 divisions. So the number of cuts will be 6 here. Now speed set for thread cutting is 120, that is M and A. So lever has to set to M position, that is, as you can see here, it's M position, and this lever has to set to A position, and the lead screw has to be engaged and has to set to forward, so then neutral, so it is set to forward. So now for 1.75 mm pitch, 1.75 threads in mm, 1.75 pitch, we have to set the levers at 7 and BD. We have to set the levers at 7 and B, and this to D. So this levers gives the speed to the lead screw. For different pitches, different speed of lead screw is given. The tool used is a V tool with a V and 60 degrees angle. Now the tool initially it is touched to the workpiece to perform the threading operation. Now bring it out. Now set the cross slide to 0 position. Now give a depth of a cut of 5 mm, 5 divisions first, and engage the lever on the carriage. So this automatically will cut. Now reverse. Now take it to reverse 60 divisions. Now start the machine on opposite way, clockwise. After 5 divisions, give other 5 divisions for depth of cut and start the machine. Now again pull back the tool, so by giving some divisions till 60. Now roll back the tool. Now give again 5 divisions. Now total 15 now. 5, 10, 15 divisions. Now start. Now pull back the tool opposite way. Now give 20 divisions, that is 5 till 20 divisions. Now move it till that. Now start. Now pull back the tool. Now give 2 divisions, 22 divisions. Now set it to 22 divisions. Now start. Now pull back the tool. Now start reverse motion. Now give the last 23 divisions, last 23 divisions. So 23 divisions. Now give the final cut. So this is the final cut of the thread. So we have performed 6 cuts. So this was the final cut. Now roll back the tool. So the threading is being performed. So this is the thread required. Now to check the thread, use the pitch gauge. So this pitch gauge, so we will use a 1.75 pitch gauge. So we'll use a 1.75 pitch gauge. I will check the threads. So the threads are as per the pitch given, that is 1.75. So it is correct. So this was about the thread cutting operation.